Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. Now it is freestyle, and if I've chosen to do something a little bit whimsy, a gingerbread tablescape. And I'll start with these gingerbread mugs. Aren't they cute? I got those at the Dollar General. And then here is my centerpiece, a giant gingerbread boy holding a little lollipop. And I put him on top of this cake stand. And then I have a little gingerbread girls and boys. And as a napkin, I'm using these tea towels that I got at the Dollar General. And then I have the runner, which I kind of placed folded at the ends. So here is a tea towel from the Dollar General. It was a package of two. One was the gingerbread recipe on it, and the other one is just the striped. So I thought those worked perfect for napkins. But I love how this gingerbread looks. It's actually a garden pick. And I just glued it to my cake plate. So here's the striped tea towel. And again, the gingerbread mugs that were only $3 at the Dollar General. So I thought this made for a very whimsical and cute tablescape. I love the fact that this one has gingerbread cookie recipe on it. And that's just a tea towel. And then I have my Linux plate and a gold charger. Now over here, some of you may have seen me make this wreath with gingerbread on it. Now I have made some changes to it. I put a larger gingerbread man in the cups, and then I did glue the little snowman cookies to the bottom of it with my coffee sign above it. So that is my DIY Christmas wreath. And then over here I have a little canister with an elf on top with ginger snaps in it on top of the Keurig. And then I have a thing 1 and thing 2 cup here, Dr. Seuss. And again, those tea towels and the gingerbread stacked books and some more gingerbread and gingerbread house. And the gingerbread houses on the ledge are just paper. And my muffins, and they are on a Lazy Susan that I just recently got from the Dollar General. And my ornaments that look like little cups with straws in them. And then here is my other gingerbread container with candy in it. I think he's adorable. And I just have him sitting on some cookies under a cloche. So here is my coffee station that I did up in a gingerbread theme. And there's even a little gingerbread girl up there. Like I mentioned, these are garden stakes, and I just used them in my decorating here in the kitchen. But isn't she adorable? When I got the gingerbread boy, I had to get the gingerbread girl as well. I love that she's in a pink dress. And there's the paper gingerbread houses and some more little gingerbread men. Okay, so I think that will do it. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I want to thank Anna and Courtney for hosting this collaboration. Remember, anyone can join. Just hashtag Tablescape Tuesday. Be sure to check out the playlist and give everyone a nice comment, a like, and a share. Again, thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.